guys, this is the continuation of our video part 3, but I think it's the same. I'm showing you the same, guys. These are all flags all over the world. They have all the flags here from countries. Let's go home, guys. This is the way home in my boss house. Look, guys, it's too hot, too much hot. What's up, guys? Outside. Look at the building I show you in my first video. On June 14 we're going to Egypt, guys, and Loli will stay in the shelter because they don't allow her to travel. Miskin Loli, and we will miss her, guys. Stop. Very hot. Look, this is street light. Look the design, guys. It's not like in the Philippines that straight here. They have design for stop light. I mean street lights. Very nice. Now, guys, go. Going home. This is masjid, church for the Muslim. Guys, here there's no more design of the building. It's not like in the center. Here we are a little bit near home. The design of the building again. That is also building, guys. See? Kababayan sa Pilipinas, ito na naman tayo investigation. Pagpasensyahan nyo ng mga kababayan kasi mahirap, hindi nila maintindihan. Iwan ko lang kung maintindihan din nila pag English ko eh. Ayun, nasa kanila na yung feeling ko, kaya naman nila intindihan kahit paano. Okay, guys, thank you so much. The house is near, so for watching. God bless you everyone.